Okay, so this is my helicopter S107, and I'm gonna fly it, and it's flying, and it's not bad. Pretty cool. I'm flying it. I'll make a better helicopter. It's going to be called the Helicopter King. And it's basically the same thing, but it has metal on it, and it has like really good metal, so it doesn't like break or anything. And it's going to be like cool, has longer lasting power, battery and stuff, and it has like, it goes a little bit faster, and like, you know, cool. And so basically, this is my helicopter, and here's like, here's it hovering, and I'm flying it, but okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. And the off button's right here, and there's a charging part right there, and there is a yellow charger USB thing. And here's the remote control. And then like this is the trimmer. This is going high and low, and then this is the on and off switch. This is going forward, backward, turning left, turning right, going forward, turning right, and forward, left, like turning left, and then this is going backward, turning left, and then this is going backward, turning right. And then this is the helicopter, 360 view and stuff. And then I'm recording it with the iPod 4 and like inside gears, and yeah. So like the blade thing and that. And then so yeah. And then there's this batteries. There are only six batteries, and all you gotta do is just plug it in when you charge it, and then all you gotta do is also put the batteries, and then just fly it. And I'm basically a little professional here. And I got another charging part right here. You can just open that up. You just like sort of hard, and you just slide it out. And, it comes with this charger part right here, and it's black. And well, there's the yellow one downstairs, but I'm doing it right here. So, and you got channels, and basically like that's it. So